Hi guys, today we're doing an oil change on my 2016 958.2 Porsche Cayenne V6. Here are the tools and parts used for this job. Oil filter kit, which include filter and ring gasket, oil filter drain plug or washer, 7 quarts of 5W30 synthetic oil, recommended per owner's manual, 36mm socket, 10mm socket, T30 Torx bit or driver, 18mm socket, 8mm Allen wrench, torque wrench, minimum 12 quart capacity oil drain pan. Remove the oil filler cap to release pressure and thus drains oil faster. Jack up the Cayenne using a jack with jack stands or ramps. Remove the engine under trays using the T30 Torx or 10mm socket. There are 10 plus Torx screws. Set the engine tray aside. Drain the oil and replace the drain plug and washer. Make sure that the engine is warmed up. Do this before you jack up the car. The oil will flow better and contaminants will be suspended and can be flushed out more easily. Use the 18mm socket to remove the drain plug. Your catch container should be of sufficient size to accommodate the oil. I let the oil drain for about 15 minutes or until the flow is reduced to individual drips. Recommended torque is 50 Nm or 37 foot-pounds. Remove and replace the oil filter. I utilize a piece of cardboard to deflect the oil from draining on the front drivetrain. Remove the filter housing drain plug first to drain some oil from the cap. The filter cap uses a 36mm 6 or 12-point socket to remove it. Allow the oil to drain and remove the filter element. Install the new filter, remove the old filter ring gasket from the cap and replace it with a new one. Wipe down the filter cap, lightly oil the new gasket with fresh oil, and slip it over the cap into place. Install the new filter drain plug. Tighten the filter cap to 25 Nm or 18 foot-pounds. Add oil, run the engine, check oil level is within spec, check for leaks, reinstall undertray, and you're finished.